Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. So we are here, as you can tell by the title of this video, doing another clean with me. I wanted to thank you guys so much for your love on my last clean with me. I really do enjoy doing these. They are a lot of work, but I really do enjoy doing them. So go ahead on and turn me on your TV, your iPad, your cell phone, whatever device you have, and let's get some cleaning done together. So as you can see, I'm just starting off in the living room. I'm doing some straightening up. Since I have put my husband upstairs into his man cave, we haven't had pretty much any issues as far as my living room staying truly junky. I just have to kind of straighten it up. So I moved on into the kitchen, and I'm just going to unload the dishwasher, and then I'm going to wash the dishes and reload it back up. So for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Tamika. I am a mom of 3, 2 bonus daughters, and 1 son with my husband. We recently moved from Florida to North Carolina, and we are loving every minute of it. I am a mortgage underwriter for a financial institution, and I work from home. I love doing all things in my channel, including cleaning, budgeting, and hauls. So if that's something that you're interested in, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So as I was putting away the dishes, I realized that some of my silverware, my spoons and knives were not dry. So I went on ahead and I took the cloth and I dried them off, and then I put them away. And you guys are going to see me in a minute struggle trying to get these spoons out. And let me know if you guys are going through the same struggle. They don't make the holes big enough for you to be able to put the spoons in there with the larger handles and remove them. Well, utensils, period. The small ones are okay, but the larger ones, like the tablespoons and some of the forks, have larger holders at the top, as you can see right now. And so it's kind of hard to get them out. So, yeah. I started putting away the food that I cooked that night, and I wanted to let you guys know to try this P.F. Chang's beef and broccoli. It was so delicious. I got it from Publix, and it was a quick meal that I was able to put together. All I had to do was cook the beef. I added some frozen vegetables because I wanted more than just the broccoli. Added over a bed of rice, and voila, delicioso. You guys, I know that House is an old show, but I never seen it before, and I was bored, so I started binge watching it. And this man is crazy, but it's a good show. If you haven't seen it, it's on Amazon Prime, and it's called House. some water and I heated it up in the microwave to loosen up the dirt and debris that was in there. I learned that trick from other YouTubers I've seen do it several times, and so I just started doing it myself, and that way I would cut back on the other chemicals like bleach and whatever have you, putting it in there. So I dipped that towel inside of the hot water, and I decided to try to, you know, continue to clean around it. There was something that I could not get out, that left hand corner, and that's why I'm trying to that's why I went and used the bleach. But other than that, I try not to use any chemicals in my microwave, and to just clean it with just the steam from the hot water. So I'm going to take my Scrub Daddy and I'm going to clean my stove. Now I will tell you that, you know, I only got the Scrub Daddy because I wanted to try it out. I've never tried it, and so many people were using it. Is it what everybody at the YouTube world makes it out to be? No, not in my opinion. Is it something that I will probably continue to use? Yes. But could I use other items and they do the same thing? Yes. So, but if you wanted to try it, please go ahead. It is a good product. It was a great price. It was not anything that damaged my stove. It cleaned it really well. But I also feel like the other items that I have in my cleaning supplies can do the same thing. So, but it was worth the try. So I decided to go ahead and use my Scrub Daddy as well to clean the cast iron portion of my stove. Now I did realize that this Scrub Daddy was too big, so I'm going to take a different Scrub Daddy sponge and I'm going to use that as well as the product from Scrub Daddy and scrub the cast iron pieces of my stove. Now the question that I have for you all is, do you all do anything to your cast iron pieces of your stove to keep them looking refreshing, new? I know when it comes down to our cast iron pans, we put a little oil on them and that keeps them from rusting, but I wasn't sure if people did that with the actual stove particles. To me, in my mind, you know, you could blow yourself up, but I just want to know, what did you all do to your cast iron pieces to keep them looking refreshed and newer to the best of your ability? right, thank you all so much. This video is ending. This is the outcome of my clean with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, bye.